In this video, I will go over very simple settings for the Thunder Instant Computational Clearing. So I've already set up my two channels. They're FITC and TRITC, both on the quad cube. I've also set up my Z stack already, so make sure you've already done that leading up to the experiment. So to do Thunder computational clearing, it's very easy. If you are on a Thunder system, you should have access to this menu. The three methods are the instant computational clearing, the small volume computational clearing, and the large volume computational clearing. Just for simplicity, I will do the instant computational clearing, and I will select my mounting media, which I believe is prolonged gold. There are advanced settings here in case you didn't want to use the default settings. There will be another video on this topic at a later date. If you don't see your mounting media on this list, go ahead and click custom and type in the refractive index. If you've gotten your mounting media from a manufacturer, they should give you the refractive index of your media. If you have a refractometer, you can actually measure the refractive index of your media, but I would say most people will have something on that list. Once you have Thunder activated, you can just go ahead and press start. And we can watch this red line go away, and now it says Thunder completed. So you can see that it was very instant. And if we want to compare the two, so the two images are seen here. On the left is the raw image, and on the right is my Thunder instant computational clearing. And you can see that as I go through this neuronal cell culture, the background is significantly reduced. Now, I've done Thunder on the fly here, but of course you can also do it after the fact under the process menu. So if we go to process, go to our open projects, select our raw file, and this time I'm going to run Thunder the large volume computational clearing. And since I had put my mounting media in before, it's already embedded in the metadata, so I don't have to put it in again. I'll select the large volume and I will hit apply. So Thunder finished in 9 seconds. And now if we want to go back and compare all three, so now comparing all three images, you can see that there is some difference between the large volume and the instant computational clearing, in that some of the detail is a little bit crisper in the large volume computational clearing. Now, one of the most common questions people ask is, how do I know which setting to use? And the answer is, it depends on your sample. So I would always run all three methods before doing a whole batch of Thunder. It's very sample dependent how Thunder will work on your sample. The thickness, the amount of background, haze, things like that. So when I first get a sample, I often will run all of the different methods and then use that going forward.